Hello everyone, it has been some time, I know. This is not the Falcon episode 3, I'm still working on that, I guess. This is another project that I started in the end of, I don't know, 2019 or 2020. It's been a long time. It is called Wheelson. It is a robot, a two-act robot designed for the Toulouse robot race originally. But I guess it's gonna be my fun drive vehicle as well, because why not? It has a whole chassis made of laser cut wood, and it will use 3D printed gearboxes and tracks. It's been some time in the making. The design has been done for like about a year. I got the design done in like 2 weeks, I guess. And some guys I met at the Paris Mega Fair in 2019 cut the parts. It took some time because, Corona, all that shit. But now it is done. So essentially it is time to assemble it. So, if you have never done any stuff like this, do it yourself, like making stuff, you know that it never goes exactly according to plan. And as you guessed, it didn't go according to plan. I mean, could be worse. I only have 2 small issues which can be easily fixed. One, I think the guys at the Fab Lab that cut the hole forgot 2 parts, but they're small enough that I can 3D print them. And the spacers inside the body were slightly too small, but just slightly, so I just sanded them a bit, and now it's fitting correctly. Okay, so the work on the chassis itself is pretty much done, and I already started installing hardware such as the gearbox. Other one still needs a shaft, that will come soon. I installed the part to hold the front axle, which will have the mechanism for tensioning the tracks, and also this, which is a removable panel for putting like sensors or cameras or stuff like that. Also done the hatch, which goes on top. So it is only the second day of work on it, and it's already moving pretty well. So I guess it should be in a driving state within a few days, if I'm not lazy cutting the axles, because it will be some work. Okay, so now I'm cutting the shaft for one of the gearboxes. Gonna need a lot of cutting fluid, but at least for cutting it is cold. For me, it's not very good. Okay, all the roads are done. Okay. Nice. Okay, I would say it was easy, but it was not. This shaft actually took all day to get done, because this one, which I made first on video, was too big, too wide. It was 8.4mm instead of 8. But every other I tried to cut with a correct size shaft, just didn't work. The drill bit kept going to the side and not working. So I had to file this down to size. It was very annoying, but now it's done. It has herringbone gears, because it works and it's easy to print. Supported on each side with bearings. This gear is bolted directly to the motor. It is a 400 kV motor, so strong. And here I was out of natural PLA, so it was made a pink gear. So now it's time to put this together. So yeah, this goes there. I'm sorry, I just switched my gear. Okay, so now it is time to put the tracks. I have them open already, you need to open them. And I estimated I would need 62 links per track, and I already put the other one, only needed 61. I took out the extra link. Now it's time to put it in. So, it's like this. Slide the pin in place. Okay, so now I have both tracks on, so I can tension them. Tension them. English is hard, okay? I'm French. I don't care. So we can finally talk about the track system in more detail. So for this tank, I decided to go take it easy because AMX, which I made before, a very unreliable track system. So I decided to make the suspensions built in the wheels. The helical structure is made to flex and provide basically do the suspensions. It is a slack track because return rollers make noise. It has a system to intention the tracks, so creep won't damage them. And yeah, okay, the transmission is at the rear, and label the tracks because why not? So yeah, driving time now, I guess. J'essaie de le faire passer à 4 balles quand même devant pour voir ce que ça donne. Oui. Quand il essaie de faire comme ça, là il y a des balles.
Ah ouais.
Okay, so a lot have happened since I last talked to you. I have been driving this thing for about a kilometer, I guess, and I discovered some serious flaws, which means that on the entire side the wheels are gone, destroyed. So I have started redesigning several parts of the robot, namely the wheels. There are a new design going on, which is currently printing. And also the gearboxes, they're enough for like driving, but they don't have enough torque to like start in an incline or go over object slowly or turn on the spot. So I'm also redesigning new reductors for it. So all of that will be in the next episode because apparently this is now another series. But at least there is some driving footage in this video. So yeah, now I'm just waiting to print and design all the new parts, and see you in the next episode, I guess.